You're looking to stop wasting hours on Excel workarounds? Come take a look. Velixo is simply an Excel add-in that serves as a live and bidirectional connector between Excel and your ERP system. It will empower you to effortlessly pull and push data in real time. As you can see, I am now on Excel. Nothing has changed. This is a normal spreadsheet. Now, to get the connection going, I am going to click on the little Velixo tab right here on the add-in. And then we're going to use the connection manager right here. So I'll click on connection manager, and it is going to open the connection manager as you can see here on my right. I'll select the proper ERP. Then it is going to prompt me to pick a name for my connection. Always try to keep this one short, as you're going to have to reference it in the Velixo formulas. Next, you're going to need to reference information related to your ERP instance. And after that, you can simply use your ERP credentials to log into Velixo. It's built this way because we're going to mirror the level of security that is already set up in your ERP, so you don't have to worry about data governance and users seeing data that they're not allowed to see. Once this is all ready, I'll simply click on connect, and my connection is now good to go. You've liked what you've seen so far and want to learn more? Simply use the link in the description to get in touch with us and book your demo.